Hi, it's Alexis from Artists in Business, back with another video helping you turn your online art business into a success. Today, we're going to explore the core principles of coaching. So many artists and creatives in the artists in business community are interested in bringing a coaching aspect to their businesses because the communities they form online tend to resonate so deeply with the theme behind the art or creative work they create. And that theme is one they know they can use to make a greater impact on their audiences. So whether you're a professional coach or someone interested in personal development, understanding these principles is crucial to becoming an effective coach. So let's dive right in. The first principle we'll discuss is active listening. As a coach, it's essential to give your full attention to the client and listen actively without judgment. This means being fully present in the conversation, focusing on the client's words, and demonstrating empathy. Active listening helps build trust and rapport with your clients, making them feel heard and understood. The second principle is powerful questioning. Now, as a coach, your role is to guide your clients to discover their own insights and solutions. By asking powerful questions, you encourage them to think deeply and reflect on their beliefs, values, and goals. Open-ended questions that begin with what, how, or why are particularly effective in promoting self-discovery and expanding those possibilities. The third principle is establishing trust and confidentiality. Trust is the foundation of any coaching relationship. So clients must feel safe and secure in sharing their thoughts, feelings, and challenges with you. It is crucial to establish clear guidelines regarding confidentiality, assuring your clients that their information will remain confidential unless there is a risk of harm to themselves or others. The fourth principle is creating a supportive environment. As a coach, you want to foster a safe and non-judgmental space where clients feel comfortable exploring their thoughts and emotions. By creating an atmosphere of trust, respect, and encouragement, you can empower your clients to take risks, overcome obstacles, and reach their full potential. The fifth principle is goal setting and accountability. Effective coaching involves helping other clients set clear, achievable goals that align with their values and aspirations. Encourage your clients to establish specific, measurable, and attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Additionally, hold them accountable for their commitments, providing support and tracking progress along the way. The sixth principle is providing constructive feedback. Now, feedback plays a vital role in a coaching relationship. As a coach, it's important to offer feedback that is specific, objective, and focused on behavior or actions rather than personal attributes. Constructive feedback helps clients gain insights, identify areas for improvement, and make adjustments to that approach they're already using. The seventh and final principle is ongoing learning and development. Coaching is a dynamic field, and it's essential to continually enhance your skills and knowledge. Seek opportunities for professional development, attend workshops or webinars, and engage in peer coaching or supervision. Embrace a growth mindset and commit to lifelong learning to become the best coach you can be. And that wraps up our discussion on the core principles of coaching. Remember, mastering these principles does take time and practice, but they will undoubtedly enhance your coaching skills and the impact you can have on your clients' lives. See in the notes below various links I have to all of the points I made today for your future reference. And also, remember to hit the subscribe button. When you do, you help us create better videos for you, as well as the other artists in the Artists in Business community. If you have a question, also leave that in the comments below. I would love to know what it is you're thinking about your own path toward possibly coaching your own community.